Hey, this is June Blender at Sapient Technologies, and in this video, I'm going to reproduce, I'll call it an oddity. I'm not sure if it's a bug, but it's definitely a difference between the way GetHelp interprets help files from script modules as opposed to those from manifest modules. So here's the setup. I have a little module, and it has two functions. One is called get good morning, really simple. And it has an external help comment keyword that points to its help file. Okay, and this is correct, just trust me on that one. And here is another function in the same module, get good night, that does not have an external help comment keyword. I'll open the help file for you. And you can see that this one says, let's see, here's get good morning from ExternalHelp, and good night says get good night from ExternalHelp. And that's the source of the help. It's a help file with a module name .psm1-help.xml, and this file is, let me open the file location. It's in an ENUS subdirectory in this module. And the module is in a funky path so that I don't automatically import the module because it's not really a module, it's just a test. And the last thing to note about this is that based on the PSD1 file, it's a script module because the module to process has the name of the PSM1 file. Okay, there's nothing in nested modules, so it's a script module. So let me show you how this behaves. It's a little bit weird. Okay, and now let me scrunch this down a little bit. I'm testing this in, let's do PS version table. Whoops. This is PowerShell 5.1. Okay, and this is consistent with PowerShell 4.0 and 5.0, but I want to show you that it happens in 5.1. So I'm going to import that module. Let me grab the file path from the PSD1 file. Because it's in that funky directory, I need to do this. So I'm going to say -pass through and list the manifest. And you can see that the module type is script module. This is important, and it exports both of the commands. And I'll do get help, get good morning. This is the one with the external help comment keyword, and it gets help from that XML file. But if I do get good night, the function without that external help comment keyword, it does not pull up the help file. In fact, it displays auto-generated help, which is the default. And the same thing happens. Let me make this a little bit bigger. This is PowerShell 6.0.0.10. And again, we're working with that script module. And I'm going to paste the manifest. You can see again that this is a script module, and we'll do get help, get good morning. And it grabs it from the XML file. But if I do get help, get good night, it cannot find it. Okay, so that's our script module test. And if I change this from a script module to a manifest module, and all I'm going to do this is make module to process an empty string and place the name of the PSM1 file in nested modules. I mean, no change to the code at all. And let's just run that very same test again, and you'll see what changes. And again, I'll scrunch this down so that it's all within my frame here. Okay, and let's repeat the test. I'll pass through and then that very same manifest, and you can see that it's now a manifest module. And if I do get help, get good morning, as before, it gets it from the XML file. But this time, if I do get help, get good night, it also gets it from the XML file. And the only thing I changed was that I changed it from a script module to a manifest module. And I'm going to bring up PowerShell 6.0.0.10. Doesn't seem to be keeping, I guess it does. Let's make it a little bigger. There we go. And I'll do the same thing, dash pass through, paste. Okay, and you can see again that this is a manifest module. I'll just do the good night version. Sorry, get good night. And you can see that it gets it from the XML help file. So the conditions that I'm working in are that the help file has 3.0 naming with the name of the source file, including the .psm1. The file is in an ENUS language-specific subdirectory, and in a script module, the .externalHelp comment keyword is required because it doesn't do the get good night. But when I switch this to a manifest module, that external help comment keyword, is that external help comment keyword, don't fool around, June, that external help comment keyword is no longer required. So just wanted to get that documented. Thanks for watching.